This is a homemade boat, well, more like a raft really, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we built it using Lego. The raft was built entirely out of wood and old water barrels, and the first job was to make some measurements. We needed to know how far apart the planks of wood needed to be in order for the barrels to be held underneath. That's what would keep us afloat and buoyant. After we made the measurements, we started to saw grooves into the wooden planks. This would allow the planks to interlock, making a strong structural frame. All that was left to do was to put the frame onto the barrels and nail down 2 sheets of flooring so that we wouldn't fall in. We attached an engine to the back and off we went. If you enjoyed this video, why not leave a like? It would really help this channel and make my day.